you stare at me?
What is that? What do you?
Princess, stop it.
Kapay. Kapay.
Saguli mo, oh.
Do the birthday boy. Birthday boy. Kapay. Kapay. Hey, kapay.
Right?
Go.
I was doing 29. Not months, he was doing years. Don't ask him what the hell he was doing at the camp.
29 years.
He was doing 29 years at the camp. And he said, Pete, he said, I used to have a home in Columbia, I had a home in Palm Springs, I had a home in Denver, and I had one in Chicago, and I had my own Learjet.
Yan ang ibig
They
lang.
didn't catch
What's
me.
up around?
They didn't catch me at the money. Well, I said, how the hell did you get put in here? He said, conspiracy.
Kampay.
I said, that don't sound
What's
like
up, kampay?
You have 123.
Yan ang
Equal rights. What can you do? Hindi mo itong marami raw. Naubos
You spend your time. I mean, he's about ready to get out. I mean, he worked at the recreation office, and that's where I did most of my hanging around. Yeah. They had a TV, and I could watch sports.
Did you play any ball while you were in there?
No, I went in there about 2 weeks after I had a knee operated. I was coaching it.
Tanda no?
And I used to hit infield practice for him. I hit infield practice for him.
Wait, isa na lang.
On Wednesdays and Thursdays, they had team from the outside.
Wait,
That's a pretty good basketball in there because, you're in pretty good shape. You don't have a lot of alcohol to drink in there. There's no women in there, so you guys are in real good shape. So if you want to tidy up, I know those places.
No. Did you,
Wala nang limong.
Mashing na ako.
I'm doing a thing.
Mashing na ako. Aga, mashing na ako.
I'll clean up my act and we'll go from there.
Talaga.
I'm not sure with David.
kinuha ko na last shot, ha?
Because the ultimate goal for any player is to
Pabili mo itong baso.
unless I'm reinstated. So I guess in my case, I'll say
Hey, mother, father.
Hindi akin, ang dami na akin.
Sa akin.
You've had quite a while. You've been at the very highest.
Pareho lang tayo.
Anyway, mapali na ako in New Jersey again. We had one of our own made up.
Kampay. Birthday boy. Birthday boy.
Matutula na ako. Last time nakinan yan
Bunga mo, mauni. Saan yung ano? Shit, mapali na, man. Nainitan na ako, man.
Hindi, isa-isa mo kunan. Isa-isa mo kunan.
How can a maxi this thin protect
Alright.
the maxi 5 times thicker?
Una na kasi.
Always ultra has good
Boy.
Shit, ang dami
You
nito,
see,
man.
instead of
Bawat
bulky
isang
padding,
shot.
Always Ultra has a lock-away core that actually helps trap wetness inside, even with twice as much liquid. Meanwhile, it's wrapped around the
Mukhasim talaga.
I can trust it, even when I need extra protection.
Mukhasim
Always
ito,
Ultra
no?
Plus. Protection that's not just thinner, it's better.
Oh, birthday boy.
Somehow,
Oh, si Wayne.
people have gotten the idea the new Toyota Paseo is a wild, exciting, sporty coupe. The Paseo is a practical, sensible car. Okay, so it has some muscle.
Mukhasim.
Starting price could be as good as not. And sure,
Kailangan
it's
ako ginawa.
instantly popular. That's no reason to do something explosive. Think it over.
Ah.
The Paseo.
Aha. Sino susunod?
From Toyota.
Glenn, mauna ka na.
Oh, Glenn. Harap ka dito, Glenn.
Taluhin ko niya yun, ako siya ba na yun.
Mainit, man. Mainit,
The birthday boy.
Birthday boy. Wala na kasi ito.
Ay, danan siya. Lele, bola. Tarantado ka talaga, Glenn. Pwede yung pag-X-rated eh.
Para John
Una ako kunantis mo.
Punan na ka. Mapang yan naka-birthday daw.
A new synthetic oil.
Diba ano?
That is to
Okay,
conventional
kay
oils.
Glenn eh. Bigyan niya yung kay Glenn.
Nagawa mo.
Unique molecular structure bonds to engine parts. Lab tests show it leaves a layer
To the birthday girl.
far stronger than conventional oil.
I think that's me. Sabi mo.
And a synthetic imagine if you leave it in. Castrol Syntec protects in ways other oils can't.
O, game.
Okay.
Sikana. Mukasim.
Diyan may Mukasim. Yeah! Mukasim!
Amoy kay Pugak. Yung dadong puti. Yung dadong puti.
Pugak.
Who's the birthday boy? Saya ako. Akis kaya boy.
And that shows the very
Mukasim talaga.
And somebody from the Yankees.
Ay, Mother Fathers.
We got a minute.
Thank you.
Uy, bakit ang mukha niya nandyan?
That would flatter me if someone thought I could turn the Yankees around.
Mukasim.
And the Yankees.
Meron dyan, wala ba?
You could do it every night.
At least kailangan niya yan.
Thanks, Johnny.
Meron dyan, wala ba? Sa taas.
Sa una.
Kalo mo, bulo. Hindi ka talaga, buho yan talaga.
Break!
Malasing niya talaga yun. Malasing niya yun. Jogging niya, tetera ka na mag-yun. Sa banyo na lang. Susulapo na yun. Wala yun. Anong tinapon mo, Glenn? Ano yan?
Nagaling din, ha?
Oh. This is taken from a live studio audience.
Mag-break nga yun.
Power. That makes a big difference. Professional plumbers on professional strength liquid plumbing. All the other liquid drain opener is dilute. This stuff doesn't. It's more powerful. So twice as much power attacks the hair clog and bam. Goodbye.
So yung biscuit?
Get twice the power to the clog.
Biscuit yan. Kinain.
Bring back some beer.
Wait back.
Come into AMPM for 12 packs of Bud, Miller, or Coors for just $5.99 each.
There's something new in town.
Gusto yung biscuit? Oh, buti pa siya, oh. Ay, yala.
Snap na yan.
Aman na.
Gago. Hindi pa
Tanga,
na.
biscuit lang eh. Kakainin.
Now the most revolutionary complex Estee Lauder ever created, and we can prove it. Advanced Night Repair. Use it nightly and see a significant increase in moisturization. Right now, receive a free 7-piece gift, including a chic clutch bag with any Estee Lauder purchase of $15 or more. This Estee Lauder gift is yours through October 3rd at Robinson's.
All right, Pete, thank you very much. It was
Kalupa me, Wayne.
to have you here, and I appreciate you finding the time for us.
Kalupa me.
I need now to
Milupa
apologize
kayo.
to the Red Hot Chili Peppers. I'm sorry. It's my fault. I know. No, we'll have them back as soon. They're not going to be on, and it's my fault. And I'd also like to apologize to their sister Jennifer. My thanks to Charles Grodin. We'll see you Monday night. Have a good weekend. Good night, everybody.
Yeah.
Chicken side.
Ano?